Hey there! We're going to learn how to do addition and subtraction on a numbers grid. This numbers grid is considered a hundreds grid because it goes from numbers 1 to 100. Let's start with an addition problem. Let's say the problem is 15 plus 4. We're going to have the students find 15 on their numbers grid. Here's 15. They know now that they have to count up by 4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. That puts us at 19. The student now learned that 15 plus 4 is 19. Now let's see how we would do a subtraction problem. Let's say the problem is 45 minus 6. We'll have the student find 45, here it is, and they're going to count back 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This takes us to 39. The student now knows 45 minus 6 is 39. The numbers grid can also be used to help students learn how to skip count by 10. Here we see, in this column, all the tens place. This will help us count. You can have the students practice. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Great job. A numbers grid is also good to help students add or subtract by 10. Say our number is 75. We want to add 20. So if our problem is 75 plus 20, so 75 plus 20 equals, let's do it. We're at 75. We know that our lines are by 10. So here the student just counts down. 75, 85, 95. We know that that's two tens columns, which is 20. So 75 plus 95, 75 plus 20 equals 95. Great job. Now let's do a subtraction problem by 10. Say we start with 52. We'll make the problem 52 minus 40. The student should know that the 40 is 4 tens places. So we're going to count back 4 spots. 52, 42, 32, 22, 12. That leaves us with 12. Great job. That's 1, 2, 3, 4 spots that they're counting backwards. 52 minus 40 is 12. Thanks for watching.